Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and please ask questions in the comment section below. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. Let's see here. This has to do with somebody who decided to ignore his court date. Criminal attorney Salinas, domestic violence Salinas, failure to appear Salinas, attorney Salinas. Let's see. 20 years ago, I had a case of domestic violence, and I moved from Texas to California. I never appeared in court, and I don't know how the case ended. Now, with my new wife, I have another case of domestic violence and moved from Southern to Northern California. I don't know what to do with both cases. Well, first of all, I'm surprised that they didn't execute the warrant, the Texas warrant, when you were arrested for the domestic violence case in California, in Southern California, 20 years later. Now, generally speaking, here in the state of California, I don't know how it works in Texas, but here in the state of California, warrants have to be renewed once every 10 years or else they go poof. But the DA has to renew the warrants. It's possible that your Texas case never got filed, or that the warrant never got renewed, which would show why it wouldn't be in the system when you got arrested for your domestic violence case in California 20 years later. You should probably contact an attorney in Texas, in the state where that, specifically in the city where that took place, where that old domestic violence case took place, so that he could check out the status of the case. Now, regarding your domestic violence case in California, you don't want to blow that off, all right? Because you don't want to get a warrant. So you need to contact an attorney, and both of you, because the judge is going to want to issue a protective order, so you're going to have to be in court with your attorney. You're going to have to contact an attorney, go to court, enter pleas of not guilty, order copies of the police report and all the physical evidence. Then the judge would have to give you a court date to come back and start discussing the matter with the DA's office. But it is crucial that you take care of this as soon as possible, because if you get another warrant, things are not going to go so well. And also, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you really need to figure out what's going on with the Texas case, because if you try to become a citizen, that's going to come up potentially, and that could pose you some real difficulties. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we received an inquiry regarding sexual assault with a minor. Criminal attorney Salinas, failure to appear Salinas, domestic violence Salinas, attorney Salinas.